Hello, this is Snubbled Up. Today I'm going to show you how to beat 19.5 for Nightmare mode. In addition to the difficulty of 19.1.4, I guess, you have shielded dogs in here. But I didn't find it particularly tough. You just need to be careful, watch out when these dogs get through, and use AoE damage to keep them in check. Let's head right into it. I used the second run list from Soul Covenant, so this will not be available often. Make sure you seize the opportunity. So these first doggy rounds are really not any issue at all, just not enough to be trouble. That wave will also perish, and then I think the first zombie mobs arrive. So come down here. There they are. I'll let the first one pass, and then bomb the second one. And same. I'm actually not sure I need to bomb the other one here. I think it's fine. Yeah. So I think now wave 4 is when there are a lot of dogs coming in. And I have my Thor and my... and the zombie mobs first. This one's going through. I think I'm gonna bomb that one. Right, and there they come, the doggies. So just make sure to use your AoE skill before things get out of hand. So that's fine. I think I'm gonna let them through there. And then, okay, that's a little much. So I'm pulling them back into Cleopatra's damage, and that should be enough. Right, and last wave, same thing. I think they're gonna be a lot of dogs. And just time your active skills. Well, actually, there's spiders coming in. There's some... Yeah, there's also dogs, so yeah, let's clean that out. Right, there you go. And you can also use Cleopatra's Ult just to proc the shields. Yeah, I'm showing you. Suck. Yeah, and then just... That's it. Hope that helps. Have fun, enjoy the game, and see you next time.